OpenAI just pulled a code red. And no, not the Mountain Dew kind, the we might break the internet again kind. The AI world is officially in panic mode. Because insiders claim OpenAI is preparing something so disruptive that competing labs are scrambling like it's exam season and they forgot to study. So what triggered this code red? Let's break it down. First, OpenAI reportedly hit a breakthrough with autonomous AI agents. Not the cute demo versions that click a button for you, but full-on, give it a mission and it completes its systems. Think, writing production code, running it, debugging it, deploying it, monitoring it, improving it, all without needing a human babysitter. Basically, interns, you may want to sit down for this. Second, OpenAI is internally testing something called a cognitive architecture jump. Fancy phrase, but here's the simple version. The model is starting to reason more like a thinking entity and less like a predictive text machine. Instead of guessing the next word, it can plan, critique itself, store working memory, run long-term goals, and adapt mid-task. In some internal benchmarks, it has been beating traditional LLMs so badly that engineers jokingly asked if the benchmark needed therapy. Third, there's a rumor floating around that OpenAI is about to upgrade all ChatGPT tiers, not just the paid plans. Meaning, the gap between free users and enterprise labs might shrink, and that terrifies competitors. If millions suddenly get access to near-agent level features overnight, the entire AI economy flips. Tourist-D, agencies collapse. Startups vanish before their morning coffee. Fourth, OpenAI is preparing a massive stack update across models, voice, and assistant tools. This includes smarter memory, better logic chains, faster multimodal reasoning, real-time agent loops, and a new autonomous workspace concept that can run tasks like a full computer user. Imagine giving ChatGPT a project folder and it handles everything: scripts, assets, edits, tasks, end to end. No more step-by-step handholding. Productivity apps? Yeah, they're sweating too. Fifth, every time OpenAI internally runs a breakthrough model, they classify it under priority levels. Yellow, orange, and red. Red is reserved for tech that can cause market-wide disruption or create safety risks if mishandled. Multiple insiders say the newest model jumps straight into red. This is why the labs are scrambling, because OpenAI only labels things code red when it's about to reshape the ecosystem. But the real twist? This time, the code red might not be about danger. It might be about opportunity. OpenAI may be preparing the next generation reasoning model, a fully autonomous agent system, a unified AI platform, and a release timeline that could be weeks, not months. If even half of that is true, then the AI world is about to experience the biggest update wave since GPT-4. And you know what that means? Massive chaos, massive innovation, and a whole lot of "why did I even learn this" skill moments. Follow NextGen AI for more latest AI-related news and content.